Hello.
Hello.
Today we got the new one from Alphanerds, one of the sponsors up here. And Black Dog. Scott's come up to give us a hand because
And have some fun in general.
have some fun. Plus, it should be interesting because what's in it is going to be pretty hot. So we'll give it a sniff. Look at the colour of it. What colour would you call that? Olive?
It's quite dark.
Dark. Ooh. Look. It's sort of...
Still is it?
No. No.
You might have trouble getting it onto his spoon.
We'll give it a go anyway. It smells nice. Sort of a chocolate.
You can definitely smell chocolate in
Chocolate.
there.
Vanilla.
Some vanilla.
Do you want to go through the ingredients and I'll see if I can get some onto the spoon?
You want mine first? Otherwise I won't have any left. Here, ingredients. Orange habaneros, plums, Trinidad 7 pot, 2 varieties of that, Asian Birdseyes, Kentucky Bourbon, Naga Morich, Dorset Naga, some cocoa chocolate, Douglah, ginger, sage, balsamic vinegar, vanilla beans, and cracked black pepper.
I thought you were going to say
So
crack.
I hope not.
Oh shit.
Oh, you got enough on there?
Yeah. Have you got enough on yours?
Yeah, I think that'll do me.
Oh shit.
I'm not as fully qualified as you.
Alright. Cheers.
That texture's nice. It's got like a sweet, really sweet taste. It's really hot up front too. Already starting to warm your face up.
Back on my throat. Top back.
My whole tongue's on fire. My lips are burning.
No, I'm alright. Oh, back on my throat. Oh. You'll get the hiccups.
He's got the hiccups.
Wow, it's really, pardon me, it's really nice.
It's like a big punch in the face.
Big hiccups.
Top of the mouth, really hot.
Yeah. I'm getting all the whole around and back of the throat.
Around this part of the mouth.
Alright, ingredients. Let's see if we can do that in between hiccups. Orange. Drought orange habaneros. They're hotter than normal ones because they're drought ones.
You get any hab taste in that?
No, but I've got a real sweet, almost chocolate.
Might be the plums that you can taste as well.
Chocolatey, and the burn is just
It's really starting to set
solid
your face
and
on fire.
set. Jewels kicking in.
Yep.
Plums. Trinidad 7 pot, 2 varieties. It's building. Oh, and the front of my lips is starting to go now. Asian Birdseyes.
Still good.
Kentucky Bourbon. Naga Morich. Dorset Naga. Oh, dude.
What didn't you put in it, Ben?
I don't know, it's building still. 70% cocoa chocolate. My tongue is now on fire.
Oh yeah, that's pretty damn hot.
And the back of my throat and all around the mouth. Some Douglah. More. Jeez.
Back of my mouth. Just here.
I'm sweaty. Some ginger. Sage. Balsamic vinegar. Vanilla beans. That's where that vanilla comes from. And cracked black pepper.
I didn't really get the vanilla much through the taste, but I've definitely got it through the smell. And it's hard to talk because my mouth is on fire.
Well, I'm going to have some more.
I'll let you do that.
Look, we should see, sort of a pasty.
Feel the heat going all the way down the front
It's
of me.
really, really sweet straight up.
I really like the texture of it too.
Look. Oh, a couple of chunky bits.
A few seeds maybe.
But the burn. It's really full, solid.
Breathe out, and it's it really lights up.
Inside of my gums and lips. Ah.
Bent's Black
True.
Dog.
Oh. So how are we going here?
It was full.
A few minutes. No, you get that. So, Alphanerds, Bent's Black Dog.
Good stuff.
What do you reckon?
It's probably a little bit too sweet for my taste, but it is
No.
really good.
I like it. I love it. And you can see by how it's a pace and it go
No,
heaps
it's
well
running
into
out.
stuff.
You're sweating like a pig.
Yeah, well, and my mouth's just going. But it's a great burn. Oh, from my lips though, I don't like that. It's really going.
Yeah, I'm finding it hard to talk.
Look, just a bit. Try it, just for the sweetness stuff. Oh, hello, hang on a sec.
We got a visitor.
You've got a visitor. Alright, what do you reckon about that?
We'll give it a few minutes.
Yeah, we'll give it 5 minutes later and see how it's going. Alright, catch us. Alright, well,
Okay.
it's 10 minutes later with Bent's Black Dog.
And Neil's Dolphin. He had lots more than me.
Yeah, but yeah, I'm very mellow actually. My tongue is still going.
My tongue's there, it's still burning a little
The
bit.
inside of my lips and the back of my throat's sort of okay. But we did notice that it sort of comes in waves. You're sitting there and all of a sudden your tongue will be going
And then it'll be the back of your mouth.
and then the front of your mouth will go and your throat will go.
And then your
So-
tongue will go again.
Yeah, very nice. And what did you say? It was nice and creamy.
Yeah, it was creamy.
But yeah, beautiful. Sort of a chocolatey, vanilla-y, sweet.
It's like a souffle.
Yeah, so there you have it. Bent's Black Dog. Alright, get it if you can, because yeah, it's really good. Alright, catch us later.
Bye.